Got way too many contacts you don't need anymore? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete single or multiple contacts from your Google account in under 2 minutes. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type contacts.google.com and press enter. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Now you'll see all your contacts listed. You can browse through them and see all the names, email addresses, and phone numbers you've saved over time. To delete a single contact, simply click the checkbox next to the contact's name, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Delete and confirm by clicking Move to Trash. To delete multiple contacts, click the checkboxes next to each contact you want to remove. You can select as many as you need. Then follow the same process, 3 dots, delete, and move to trash. Keep in mind, deleted contacts sit in your trash for 30 days before being permanently removed. If you want to delete them immediately, click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, select Trash, then click Empty Trash Now at the top. A pop-up will appear. Click Empty Trash to confirm. Google will then ask you to verify it's you for security purposes. Complete the verification and your contacts are gone for good. There you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your Google contacts. See you in the next one.